Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss different provisions relating to copyright and patents. What is copyright and what is patent? The provisions have been incorporated in the different instruments of Copyright Act and the Patent Act. In India, there is Copyright Act 1957 and it contains the provisions relating to copyright, and the Indian Patents Act 1970 contains provisions relating to patents. What is patent? What is copyright? It is necessary to understand for understanding these two subjects. What is patent? The definition of patent has been given, or the provisions relating to patents have been incorporated in section 21M of the Indian Patents Act 1970. And the provisions relating to copyright has been given in section 14 of the Copyright Act 1957. What is copyright? It is not so technical, it is not so difficult. The definition is very much clear. The definition contains the provisions that it is the exclusive right. It is the exclusive right to any work. To any work means in any book or expressed idea. This expressed idea is given the right of copyright. This copyright is the right to reproduce, right to perform in the public. And after having this exclusive right, no other person can interfere in the ideas, in the expressed ideas of the author. This copyright is granted to the authors only, to the authors in their literary, dramatic and musical work. This Copyright Act is very important for the protection of the authors, and several times it is spoken whether this Copyright Act or the Patents Act is applied to the computer program. Now I want to clear to you that this is the Copyright Act which is applied to the computer programs. Now we are coming to the different provisions of the patents or the patents law. The definition of patent has been given in section 21M, and the definition of invention has been given in section 21J, and the definition of inventive step has been incorporated in section 21JA of the Indian Patents Act 1970. Rest of the things we shall discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.